It's gonna move it from here to somewhere here, so when you're driving, I actually thought it went in front, but I guess it goes behind. So let's see, let's take those 3 screws off. All right, that's it on there. I kind of had to bend it, you know. It's kind of soft mounted anyway, so let's put this up there. There we go. Looks a bit better now. That's probably not the best mount for it, but pretty cool. Let's have a look. Let's see. Trying to get everything fucking ready. Okay. Wonder what the sound is like. Wonder what the view is like. My hand in the way. Let's go. I'm going to get a phone mount for this. It was here and the phone could kind of sit on top and it was supported by the bar, but here it's held up against gravity, so it wasn't good enough. It was more for a bicycle, so I need to get a proper one here, and the phone can sit there and I can charge it from here. And I might try and get an adapter as well, like a Y adapter for a microphone, to run 2 mics into the GoPro, and then have one mic sitting beside the earpiece so you can hear my friend Jack via the radio for our trip. Oh, there's a Skoda. Ah, we've got 2 bars now. We're real. We're getting there. We're getting up the temperature. Let's go in here. Woo, yeah. Check the mirrors, you know. Jeez, I climb up through the gears quick on this because I'm so used to the inline 4. Revving the fuck out of it. Whap, whap. What temperature have we got today? Grip max 6.5. Okay. Nice. I can change that as well. The red line, the red light. So I can change that to come on at whatever setting I want. I have it on like a bit early actually, just because I wasn't used to the bike or something. I don't know. Just so you know, I'm not redlining it all the time. I still have another like 3,000 RPM. I wonder what that's like for wind, actually, for you. Okay, it's recording. I was trying to get it to record there. I need to get better at finding where that button is. Chilly, 7 degrees. Woohoo! Oh, I've done 1,100 kilometers since I got this bike. And the trip to France is going to be like, I don't know, 2,200 in like a week. So I'm doing like twice what I've done in a month in a week. 2,200. That's quite a lot, actually. Come on. You hear that, do you? I go for it, be alright. What's going on up here? Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Evasive maneuvers, huh? Oh Jesus, pal. I don't know, I think you were definitely in a bit of a sketchy position. I want to get away from you now though, that's the problem. Where we'll have a phone mount. Oh god. There's a Halfords. Phone mount. Halfords. I'm gonna try Halfords first. Yeah. Let's just drive up on that footpath. tight with the bags, I'd say. Well, I don't know. Anyway, I'm here. Moto stuff. There's ultimate add-ons. That bar width 8 to 16. I have a 22. 20. Well, mission failed, obviously. So I'm gonna try and go and get a audio splitter. Oh, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna bleed do? Where am I gonna go? Oh God. I'll try TK Maxx, however you know I'm in Sports Direct. And Pep & Co. Lifestyle, would they have on like that? No, possibly not. Let me see. Well, TK Maxx has a lot of bullshit though. I'm gonna fucking drive up on the footpath here. Because why not, eh? Oh God, oh God, oh God. So as you can see, task failed. And yep, couldn't get one, but I did get the audio splitter. And I got some socks and a hat. Oh, and a towel, actually. Like a camping towel, oh my God. Yeah, it feels a lot weirder. Lane splitting on the old KDM. Okay. Hello, hello. Let's go. Let's just go.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
I just want to get out of here, you know?
Yeah.